By the end of the video, you will know powerful leg exercises. Bodyweight Workout Challenge. Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a workout routine that's sure to strengthen your legs. The Bodyweight Workout Challenge. Our challenge is designed for beginners, but it's a great way to kickstart your fitness journey or to amp up your current routine for some extra leg power. We've got 5 bodyweight exercises lined up for you, and we're keeping it simple by doing 3 rounds of each exercise. Remember, this challenge is all about consistency and progression. Here's a quick recap of the exercises. 1. Squats, because they're the cornerstone of lower body strength training. 2. Lunges. These help improve your balance and stability. 3. Single leg glute bridges, perfect for targeting those hard to reach muscles in the glutes and hamstrings. 4. Pulsing squats, an advanced variation of regular squats that really test your leg muscles. 5. Leg raises, a fantastic exercise for strengthening your legs. Without adding bulk to your thighs, don't worry if you can't do them yet. We'll work on it. Now, go ahead and set aside some time each day to tackle this challenge with us. Don't forget to share your progress in the comments below and give us a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Remember, at the end of the day, it's all about feeling strong and confident in our own skin. So let's get moving and make those legs stronger together. Thanks for joining us today. And remember to hit that subscribe button for more workout tips and challenges like this one. Until next time, keep pushing those leg muscles.